Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the topic brand and branding. First of all, what is the definition of brand? Brand means the identification mark of any product. It might be trademark, it might be a symbol, it might be a picture, it might be a design or a color. Different products are known by its colors, like Parle-G biscuits. If that particular yellow color is not found, people do not buy the product. This they know that particular product by its yellow color only. Not only yellow color, even that particular girl whose picture is there at the top of the product, that has become one of the symbols of by which a product is known, and that is also called a brand. So it is a brand. And what is the branding? Branding means process of assigning a distinctive name to a product by which it is known and remembered. Like cake, Britannia cake, particular color, it is known by its colors, that a particular pink color, a particular black color, a particular chocolate color, by which a particular product is known. Maybe Tata tea, by its green color, it is known. Leaves, which is at the top. So branding means assigning a brand name to a product, and brand means that particular mark, color, design, etc. is called a brand. Now, the next and the last topic of this particular unit is how to bring about brand promotion. How to bring about brand promotion. Now, brand promotion. Brand promotion means making a particular brand popular in the market, making a particular brand famous in the market. How a particular brand becomes famous in the market? It is, though it is the work of particularly a manufacturer, but a wholesaler and a retailer should also work on it. They should also come forward to make a particular brand promoted or bring a particular brand in the eyes of the public. So that is called brand promotion. So there are mainly three ways by which a particular brand is promoted. First is advertising. Advertising. What is called advertising? Advertising means it is in the newspaper, in television, through other means of communication. When a particular product is brought in the eyes of the customer, that is called advertising. So advertising is regularly given to make a particular brand well known among the customers. It is only due to repeated advertising that Lux soap, Colgate toothpaste, Titan watch and different other products have become famous in the market, and it is on the tip of the customers. When a name of the car is taken, then immediately Maruti comes in the eyes of it. When heavy vehicles, name of the heavy vehicle comes before us, the name of the Tata Motors comes. So it is only due to repeated advertisement that a particular brand has become famous in the market. Now, second ways of bringing a brand in the eyes of the customers or bringing a brand famous or popular or promoted, that is called quality control. A particular brand becomes famous due to the advertisement. But if there is no good quality, that no longer survive in the market. So in order to maintain a image in the eyes of the customers and keep the particular brand for long time surviving, there is a need of quality control. There is a need of maintaining the quality of particular product. Now third, which is also very important, but it is not in the hands of the manufacturer or organization, that is called publicity. So publicity means any commercial significant news which has no sponsor and is non-personal and non-paid by the individual organization involved in it. Means organization does not pay any amount to the news channels or to the news papers, media for this publicity. It is only a news. Maybe Reliance is opening its new showroom, then that news comes in the newspapers and in magazines and in other media. So that is called publicity. So through this publicity, sometimes a particular brand becomes very popular, but there is a negative effect of this particular publicity also, because it is not in the hands of that particular manufacturer. Maybe a bad publicity can spoil the image of the organization. Sometimes may suppose like you must be knowing about the case of Johnson, that particular brand, a particular customer complained that due to maybe there was some problems with the product. So now, due to that, a bad image came in the market, and what the goodwill of the product came very down, and people started buying other products like Himalayas and other different products. So, and one of the cases of Maggie, you must be knowing that earlier people were buying Maggie, but in Maggie somebody found some that quality was not maintained or something wrong was there. So due to that, people stopped eating Maggie for a long time. So there can be a good publicity which can bring a good image, and there can be a bad publicity which can spoil the image of the product. So here this topic ends. In our next lecture, we will be continuing with next unit. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.